In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks in Microsoft Teams. This powerful feature helps you keep track of your work, manage projects, and collaborate with your team effectively, all within your familiar Teams environment. To begin, we first need to ensure the Tasks app is readily available within your Microsoft Teams interface. The initial step is to navigate to the Apps section. Look towards the top panel of your Teams window. You'll typically find an icon that resembles a collection of smaller squares or perhaps a puzzle piece, often clearly labeled Apps. This is your gateway to discovering and integrating various tools and functionalities, designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows directly within Teams. Clicking this button opens up the Teams App Marketplace. Once you've clicked on the Apps icon, a new panel will appear, presenting you with a search bar along with a list of popular or recommended applications. In this search bar, you'll want to accurately type the word Tasks. As you begin typing, you'll notice that Teams will intelligently filter the available apps based on your input. The specific application we're looking for is usually named Tasks by Planner and To Do. This integrated app conveniently combines the robust capabilities of Microsoft Planner, which is excellent for comprehensive project management, and Microsoft To Do, which focuses on more personal and individual task management. It offers a centralized view of all your personal and team-assigned tasks, making it much easier to stay organized and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Identifying this specific app is crucial for the next step in setting up your task management system. After locating Tasks by Planner and To Do in the search results, the next crucial action is to click on Save, or a similar button that confirms your selection and integrates the app into your Teams environment. This action ensures that the Tasks app is either installed, opened, or pinned, making it easily accessible from your left-hand navigation rail for future use. While Save might seem like an unusual label in this context, consider it as the final confirmation to embed the application into your personal Teams view. Depending on your organization's setup or the current state of the app, it might also appear as Add or Open, but the outcome is the same, making the Tasks app a permanent and easily reachable fixture in your daily Teams workflow. This step truly embeds task management capabilities right into your collaborative hub. With the Tasks app now successfully added and opened in your Microsoft Teams window, you're ready to start populating it with your to-do items. You'll typically find a clear input field, often labeled something intuitive like Add a Task or New Task, usually positioned at the top or bottom of your task list view. Simply click into this dedicated area and begin typing the description of your first task. It's helpful to be concise yet clear in your task titles. For example, instead of just Report, consider typing Finalize Q3 Sales Report to provide immediate context and clarity for yourself or your team members. This field is designed for quick entry, allowing you to capture ideas and assignments the moment they come to mind, without getting bogged down in details prematurely. Once you've finished typing out the title or description of your new task, the final action to formally add it to your list is to click the plus sign. This icon is usually located right next to the task input field you've just used. Clicking the plus sign acts as an Enter or Submit button, instantly adding your typed task to your current task list. You'll see it appear, typically at the bottom or top of your list, confirming its successful addition. At this point, you can then click on the newly created task to open its details pane, where you can add much more information, such as specific due dates, priority levels, detailed notes, relevant attachments, or even assign it to specific team members. This simple plus sign click is your green light for task creation, making your to-do list grow and bringing you closer to organized productivity.